Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the story language on your account on Wattpad easy and quickly. So click on your profile icon, then click on the settings, and as you see here you will find the preferred stories. So here you can change the story language. So here you can change it whatever you want, any language you want. So as you see here, so that's how to manage the story language and change it if you want, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.